Honorable Joe joining in. All set now, ready to race. And the race is on. Tabitha in a knee-jerking beginning. Looking at Lucky is racing in second. Moving up by the rail is Mackie G. Forbidden Fruit. Alongside is Honorable Joe. Yes, Friday in between runners. Gangnam Style and Star Trick. Back to the front runner, Tabitha, followed by Looking at Lucky in second. And racing in third by about 4 lengths is Mackie G. Forbidden Fruit. Racing in fourth by Drell. That's Tabitha by a length and a half. Looking at Lucky. Closing in second by Drell. Then here comes Forbidden Fruit. Getting closer and stronger as they race the last 500. Tabitha by a length and a half. Looking at Lucky. Forbidden Fruit chooses to run from the outside and still moving up as they race the last 200. Tabitha looking at Lucky. Forbidden Fruit burning the tracks. This time by about 3 lengths now. And nearing the finish line. Forbidden Fruit. Well trained, Mr. Anthony Francisco finished the game second. Looking at Lucky. Tabitha. Yes, Friday, Gangnam Style.